on Everest, they're pretty much seating every other row.
You see, this is where I wish I was right now.
Good morning, friends. It's Cherissa. Welcome to or back to my channel. This week's video is super exciting because I'm doing super exciting things. Let me explain. So today I'm packing, cleaning up my room, probably going to dinner with the family. Tomorrow we're going to Cedar Point. Cedar Point opens today, but we're not going on opening day. We're going tomorrow. The day after Cedar Point, we're going to Kings Island. And then Sunday, we're taking a road trip to Kansas. Because if you don't know, that's where I've been a vast majority of this little time we are going through. So we're going back to Kansas. Monday, we'll be in Kansas for a day. And then Tuesday, we're going to New Orleans. I'm so excited to go back to school. I'm not going back to school this early, but I have to take my stuff to the school. So my school is basically telling everyone to ship everything to school and they'll just put it in their room. Well, I stored all my stuff in a storage unit and basically they just said to bring it and they would put it in my room, which is great for move-in day. So that means me and my mom won't have to drive back and forth from the storage unit to the room. And plus, I don't even think you're allowed to leave campus after you are on campus, but I don't know. So it should be a super exciting week. I'm starting it on a Thursday and it will go to like next Thursday. So let's get right into it. I actually have a statistics exam in like an hour. So I'm going to take that. It's my final exam and then I'm done with statistics. So after today, I only have 2 more summer classes. Woohoo! So excited. I'm really done with online school. Like, I cannot do it anymore. And I'm worried because a lot of these universities are going back online for the fall because it's getting so bad. And my university is so done with their students because some of my fellow classmates have been partying in New Orleans. Well, New Orleans is getting hit really bad right now. I mean, a lot of states are, but like New Orleans is just like a poor city. It's predominantly black and this virus is predominantly affecting black people. So it's like our students clearly don't care. But so like they might close school down and move us to online. I really miss my friends and I really want to see them because if you don't know, I'm an only child. I mean, like I love spending time with my family, but like I really need that social interaction in my life. Okay, so I'm gonna get some breakfast and then probably review one more time and then take the statistics exam. And then I need to clean my room because I need to pack my stuff for school essentially. Should be fun. Okay, let me go get some breakfast because my feet. I'm super hungry.
Today for breakfast, I'm having chicken and a biscuit with syrup. So like, what is it called? Chicken and waffles, but with a biscuit? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to be watching some YouTube.
Right, here we go.
Yes.
Woo! All done with statistics. Look at that. Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at me go.
And statistics is done. These are all of my texts. This is dirty. Oh, this is full? Oh my goodness. Here are all my journals, my notebooks from my time at Tulane. I think I'm gonna sell these. It just makes sense. Let me show you my outfit. Isn't it cute? It's from Forever 21. The pants are a little baggy, but you know, that's kind of in now. Honestly, it fits me well, I think. But let's get in the car. Let's go. I'm excited. Honestly, I'm not that excited. But does anyone else just like driving? Like, I kind of just like driving and playing my music loud and singing at the top of my lungs. I cannot sing, so no one can hear me when I'm in the car. Let's go. It's too hot. Oh my god. That's so gross. I have an honest question. The AC's loud, but I don't care. Does anyone else have like 2 car playlists? Like one for you and like your friends and like one for when you're with your parents? Because I do. My mom doesn't like bad words. But like I didn't put the bad words in there like the artist did. It's hot. Let's go. Oucha. Oh my gosh. Ow! That's hot! Jeez! Ow! Hi guys, it's Cherissa. So we went to Cedar Point today, which you saw in the last clips. I wore this white top, which I told you was too big, but I tied in the back. And these shorts from Rue 21 today. You know, today was like a good day at Cedar Point. It was the second day they were open because they opened yesterday. But a lot of the rides weren't running. A lot of the food and drink places were not open. And it was very crowded. You know, I feel like some people forget like coronavirus is still like a thing. People are not wearing masks. People are putting them down here. Like what? That doesn't do anything for me or for you. And then it rained for like 4 hours. So we got soaked. So like those shorts are soaking wet. So we really didn't ride anything. In conclusion. Here's all the stuff that needs to be packed. And some of the stuff over here. Here's like the yellow pile, the black, the brown, red, pink, purple, white, blue, green, orange, and gray. So we're gonna put all that in the suitcase. And then I have like some liquids for my dorm, so like body wash and lotion, and I have my jewelry in there and some containers. Then I have to go through that stuff because I also have paint in there and some makeup, but let's do that right now. Isn't this cute? Super excited to show you guys everything I got, and everything was on sale. Like this top was $8 from H&M too. You know what I think is so interesting about Aeropostale? Like every time I've gone into Aeropostale, I've never bought in something like full price. And like maybe that's a marketing thing on Aeropostale's end, but I always think it's interesting. Like they'll have like jeans for like maybe $30, but they're really like $70. Like I don't understand, just mark them like $20-$30. Like why does it say like $75 and then 70% off? But definitely a marketing strategy. Isn't this cute? I went to Francesca's, whatever that's called, and I bought a romper, and they're selling masks with their clothing items. Isn't that so smart? So no excuses for not wearing masks. Like it matches your outfit. Come on now. So messy, but whatever. Hey guys, it's Cherissa. I'm sitting here on the couch in Kansas in the hotel. We are not going to New Orleans this week. Basically, there was some scheduling conflict with my university. I was supposed to go drop off my stuff at school so they could put it in my dorm room, and when I arrived in New Orleans I would just be in my room. But there's a little scheduling conflict, so I will be now going next week. This vlog did not turn into a week in my life. I thought it would, but it didn't. Planning like my final videos for the summer. I'm ready to go back to school. I'm kind of done sitting around the hotel. I mean, like, I've had fun. I've done lots of fun things over quarantine and like summer vacation, but I really want to see my friends. I'm excited to go back. I'm not super excited about all these restrictions, but I did find out yesterday that my school is testing us like every couple of weeks. Not even every couple of weeks, it seems like every other week, honestly, and it's completely random as well. But they're not using that long Q-tip thing. They said it's a little nose swab that like ends like right here, which is good because like that long Q-tip was not going up my nose. Like, they were gonna have to sedate me if they wanted to get a nasal swab for me. So this is definitely more manageable. Super excited to get back to school. Make sure to check out my back to school videos. I just posted college dorm essentials that you might not know about today, so check those out. Next week, we'll have navigating the college dining hall with food allergies, because that's really not talked about online, and food allergies are very common. So I don't understand why no one's made a video on it, but that's next. And then I'm also going to be talking about how to be a successful student during the 2020-2021 school year. It's going to be a little different because some people are online completely, some people are doing in-person, some are doing half and half. So I have some tips for those. So make sure you turn on the post notifications, subscribe for more. I'm going to say this next month, because school starts in a month, it's going to be some fun videos. I'm going to shower, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, you already know what to do. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe down below. Subscribe for more college and back to school videos, because those are on my channel now. But remember guys, stay safe, wear a mask, social distance, please. Like, coronavirus is not getting better, it's getting worse, but please do follow all the CDC guidelines, okay? I love you guys so much. Thank you guys again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.